Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about who is curious to learn the English language, whether everybody is interested to learn the English language or there are some people those are willing to improve their English language, and who is more curious than others. I will talk about this in this video ahead, so please watch this video till end so that you never miss any point from this video. Actually, for non-native people, those who are living in the countries where their first language is not the English language, their national language is different, and they are trying to improve the international language. As you know that English is considered the international language because right now a lot of stuff is available in English language, and in each country of the world there are so many people those are curious to learn the English language. Although in some countries English is given less importance, but in most of the countries it is given much importance to learn this language, because the governments of those countries know that when their people would know the English language, they would get the best opportunities, and they will succeed in getting some kind of jobs on international level. So they are focusing on this, that masses should learn the English language. Those are interested, and government is providing also facilities in different countries, and there are other subjects, but English subject is given much importance during the study period in each and every country right now. And I think that a lot of people are learning the English language, but only those improve this language who set a goal in front of them. Because if you are limited to some your own area or some your own country, then you would not learn this language. When your mind is open, you want to do some things exemplary to show your talent on international level, then you will learn and improve this language with interest. Otherwise you will lack the interest, and when you don't have interest, you will learn this language just to pass the subject of English language that is included in your curriculum. So only those people improve this language those set a goal, such as if you are willing to become a politician, if you are willing to become a popular artist or sportsman, or if you are willing to become a great businessman, then I think that this language is necessary. This language is must to learn. If you know this language, you will get the ability to communicate with other communities of the world, because your national language is different, and when you go in some other countries, their national language is different, but both people of different nationalities will communicate with each other through the international language. And you know that English is the international language, and if you know the international language, you both can communicate with each other in a good way. You can discuss your ideas with others through this language. So I think that setting a goal is a must if you want to improve this language. If you don't set any kind of goal, you just want to remain limited up to your area, then it's okay. Your national language is good, you should learn and improve that national language. Otherwise, if you have the mentality of international level, you have the talent inside, and you want to explore new things, you want to discover the world, you want to travel throughout the world, then I think that you should learn this language. And for learning this language for non-native people, I think it is in some way very easy, and in some way very difficult. Very easy when you are interested to learn this language, and very difficult when you are not interested to learn this language, and you just reading the English language subject to pass the examination. Up to examination it is good, but if you want to improve this language, if you want to learn this language, then it is very necessary that make yourself able and create some kinds of interest inside you, so that you would learn this language with great enthusiasm. Otherwise, like others, you will lack the interest and you will not improve yourself. And right now, if you are willing to get help in learning the English language, lot of platforms are available in the form of social media. Great platform is in your hand if you have the access of internet and you have the cell phone. With the help of cell phone, you can search the videos of your interest. You can search different kind of articles, and in this way you will improve your English language. So media, especially the social media, has given you the best opportunities and facilities if you are willing to grow your talent. Otherwise, I have seen some people, those are very intelligent. When they read, they can understand what is read, what is written. When they listen English language videos, they can understand. But when they try to speak themselves, then they face problems. Why they face problems? Because first thing is that they lack the interest to speak the English language. They are not interested to speak this language. If they are interested, they should do the practice again and again. You know that practice makes a person perfect. Without doing practice, you can do nothing. So if you want to speak fluent English does not mean that speak very fast. Fluent English means that speak English language in very precise and decent way, that when you are speaking, others are understanding. If you don't speak in decent way, others are facing problems while understanding your accent, then it is not good for you. You should work on your accent. You should speak slowly, but in a good way. When you would speak slowly and in a good way, others would understand your lecture very easily. Right now, I request you that give your feedback below in comment box, that whether whatever I said in this video, have you understood or not? Do you understand our accent? And you can share your feedback about our accent and our lecture about this video. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button, subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.